Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know you might wondering what the hell is going on with her face right now, but don't be alarmed. I did went ahead and did a makeup tutorial on this look. If you're watching me for a while and if you watch my video every single day that I upload, which is Monday through Friday, you will know exactly what I use on my face and what palette I use, because this is a new palette that just came out on the market. So if you did not watch this one, go ahead and watch it after this video. But as you guys saw from the title, that I'll be doing a updated foundation and concealer routine. Yes, it is 2020 and you just want to update your look. You want to update your look, you want to update everything that you've been rocking since 2019 and 18 and all of that stuff. So today will be the day for me, and we're just gonna jump right in. As you guys see that I'm not doing no intro, I'm just jumping right into this video looking like this, but at the end you guys know that it will look flawless, okay? Trust me. All right, so first thing first, you want to make sure that you prep your skin. Concealer, no, not concealer, what am I talking about? You want to make sure that you prep your skin, which is your moisturizer, primer, and hyaluronic serum. I do recommend that you guys use hyaluronic acid serum on your face because it's really important. And if you don't know about it, read up on hyaluronic acid or hyaluronic serum for your skin, and you will see what I'm talking about. So if you have not used it, I do recommend that you go ahead and start putting it into your foundation and your makeup routine, okay? So I already did all of that off camera, and that's the way how my skin look after it's all done. And you guys know that I do have dry skin, so I have to moisturize my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my foundation routine, and I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place palette. I'm in the shade Malawi 230. I hope I'm still that shade because it's winter now and I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead, okay, and I'm gonna put it onto it's really dense. It's a dense brush, but it's not too dense. Normally I would go into my beauty blender, but I'm gonna start off with this and then I'm gonna blend it out with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some onto the back of my hand. Do not take too much of this foundation, like do not, okay? And then I'm gonna tap it in just like that, see? And then just tap it onto my face. And don't be alarmed if it looks very streaky, because you're gonna use your beauty blender and blend it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just tap it in, tap it in, tap it in. Put more if you want to, which I'm going to. And I do not put foundation on my forehead. Like whatever is left on the brush after I finish completely blending out the bottom part, I just run it all over my forehead. So I do not do that no more. And you want to make sure that you go down to your neck, okay? So now this is all done at the bottom part. I did not touch the face, the forehead yet. I'm gonna go into my damp beauty blender. It's not dirty. I was using this for my eyes, so it's not dirty, so don't say nothing to me. So now the streaks, because sometimes with the brush you do get a little streak. So after that you're gonna just tap it in and just keep on tapping. So now I'm gonna go up top and just put a little bit, like seriously, like I'm not even like going in. And also I did not clean up the top of my brow, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I have a little bit left onto the back of my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the top part of my brow, and I'm using that same concealer that I use for my face. So just gonna put a little bit and just clean up the top. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with two of my favorite, which is the Fenty and also the Kat Von D. The Fenty is 1 or 2 shades lighter than me, and then the Kat Von D is 1 shade lighter than me. So I'm gonna put the Kat Von D first, and I'm gonna go ahead and you see that part where the shadow is, I'm gonna cut it. So it's gonna be a really nice cut with my concealer. So just gonna go ahead and just put it here first, and I'm also gonna put it a little bit here and here, and then a straight line in the middle. I stopped putting concealer onto my forehead. Whatever is left, I just tap it on top, but I don't put it no more. I don't know why, but I just started to stop doing it. Okay, so now to get that cut, I'm gonna use my same concealer brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that Kat Von D, just like that. And then I'm gonna take my little mirror and start cutting the side. Now that I cut the side, you have to blend it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty, and I'm gonna put it right on top. And this is optional if you don't want to use two concealer, but I want to. And then for the Fenty, I'm gonna put it right at the side, like the bridge of my nose, but at the side. See, just like that, and just like that. Then I'm gonna use my beauty blender and blend out this part out first, but I'm not gonna touch under the eyes yet. I'm gonna let it sit for just like a 30 seconds and then blend it out. Okay, so now that the 30 seconds is up, I was taking my time and blend out my nose so that, you know, I could just wait a little bit more. And now I'm gonna start blending, but I'm not gonna start blending underneath. I'm gonna start blending at the side. So I'm gonna use the butt of my beauty blender and just tap out the edges, just the edges. And then you're gonna go ahead and start blending the rest. So now that's all done, you're gonna quickly, when I say don't wait, okay, do not wait, you're gonna quickly go ahead and use your powder for your under eyes. I'm taking the Fenty in Butter, and because I know I have a lot of creases and my creases come up super duper fast, I am gonna go ahead and set it, but I'm not baking because I cannot. If you are new, I have dry skin, so I cannot bake. So I'm just gonna pat it and make sure that the creases is out before I put my setting powder. And what I do with my setting powder, the way how I do it, okay, I put it on just like that. Then I use my hand and then tap off the excess and then put the rest onto the my under eyes. So I do put a lot more onto the smile line like this, and then I let it sit for like 10 seconds, and then I use my finishing powder just to brush it off. Okay, so now that's all done, I'm going to use my MAC in Angelic 45 just to brush off all the powder off my face. Okay, so now that you finished the under eyes, if you do start with your eyes first like me and your eyeshadow get messed up or fade out, I like to keep my pencils really close to me, the one that I use. So I'm going to take that and just kind of put back a little bit more color underneath, just where the fading is. See, just like that, and it's just pop right back on. Okay, so next I'm going to go in, and I think my lashes is coming off. Oh shit, it is. All right, don't look at my lashes, okay? Just don't look at my lashes. All right. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my Fenty in Mocha Mami, and I'm gonna contour my cheeks. I'm not a powder. I'm not a cream contour. And as you can see that it gave me a really nice like cut. So just go ahead and just do your thing. If you're a cream contour person, do that, but this is how I like it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. I'm taking another brush. I'm gonna tap it in, not putting too much, and just lightly go down. So next I'm gonna go into my blush, and I'm gonna use this one right here. Just tap it on. And then I'm gonna quickly do a little bit of highlight. I don't wanna put too much, so I'm gonna put a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Mario Badescu. Okay guys, so this is my 2020 updated foundation and concealer routine. It was pretty easy. It was really easy for me personally. I know a lot of you guys who are not used to makeup, it's gonna be like, whoa, this is hard, I can't do that cut. But it's really easy if you get used to it and you keep on doing it. So it was easy for me and I really like it. Make sure you guys already subscribe to my channel because I do upload Monday through Friday, so make sure you're already subscribed and turn on that notification, so as soon as I upload you get a really good notification say, hey, Prestige B just uploaded a video. Okay, so make sure you guys already subscribe and turn on that bell. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like, I really do appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. Even if you don't reply or if you don't make a comment, just give me a thumbs up saying that, all right, I like this. I really do. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.